So Bitcoin crashed to $80,000 and a lot of people are panicking. Some are selling, some are buying, like myself. And when you think about it, Bitcoin is the kind of money that rewards smart and patient people. I mean, if you are smart enough to do your homework and to understand Bitcoin and to understand the solid fundamentals that it's based upon and why it's gonna keep going up in the long term despite these minor corrections, you are not gonna lose. You are not gonna lose, and you're not gonna panic, and you're not gonna fumble during these crashes. In fact, you're gonna see them as an opportunity to go and buy even more. I myself bought more Bitcoin during this crash. I bought twice, when it was 90 and then when it was 94. Now I think it's trading around 80, or it's bounced back to 84. So whenever there are these sharp corrections, do not panic. And if you panic, and if you really lose sleep over it, it's a sign that you don't really understand Bitcoin and you don't have conviction. And conviction comes from understanding. I mean, you can't have a solid conviction if you don't really put in the time and effort to study and to understand Bitcoin. So yeah, I mean, if you lose sleep over it, sell some of it, because if it's going to make you stressed and nervous and you can't handle the volatility, maybe you are investing too much. Maybe you should invest more time rather than money in Bitcoin. Invest time into Bitcoin, learn more about it, try to understand it, and then invest money. Because if you invest money and you didn't, without investing time to understand it, it's going to be really difficult for you to navigate all these ups and downs of the markets and the sharp volatility of Bitcoin, and especially with how the mainstream media reports it and how people talk about it. Everybody's saying it's going to go to zero. Everybody's saying it's a scam. And if you don't have a solid understanding of Bitcoin, you're going to be influenced by other people's opinions. You're going to be influenced by the mainstream media. You're going to be peer pressured into selling Bitcoin and buying bullshit tokens like XRP or something else. So yeah, when it comes to Bitcoin, the best strategy is to invest time first to learn and to understand. Start with some Bitcoin. I made a video called you only need 0.005 Bitcoin, which is approximately $500. So yeah, maybe invest some money that you're not gonna lose sleep over. And then invest time into studying and reading about Bitcoin. Watch my videos. Watch my video essay called The Greatest Scam the World Has Ever Seen. Watch my other videos about Bitcoin to understand it. Go read some books. Go listen to some other podcasts. So invest time. And once you have enough conviction and enough understanding, then you're gonna invest more money without losing sleep over it, right? So yeah, just buy Bitcoin. Don't trade Bitcoin. I know some Bitcoiners, they like to buy during the dip and sell during the what's it called, the bull market. But I think that's not a good strategy because it's also kind of stressful. It's really difficult to time the markets. So just buy and forget about it. Just buy it and that's it. Just keep buying. Personally, for me, I've lost sensitivity to price. I don't care what the price is. I just buy, I buy every month. And whenever I see a sharp drop like this, a sharp correction, I also go and buy a little bit more. And that's it. So once you have this long-term vision, and once you understand the gigantic potential of Bitcoin, you're going to be you're gonna lose sensitivity to price fluctuation and all this high volatility. So yeah, study Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, don't trade Bitcoin, and don't buy shitcoins. That's all I have to say in this video. Let me guys know what you think in the comments below, and see you in the next one.